bring in evidence, bring arguments about what happened. But East Cleveland Judge William Dawson says don't come before him with an offer to drop charges for money. 5 Cleveland police supervisors faced charges for a deadly chase that ended in East Cleveland, and the I-Team broke the story. The law director has offered to drop charges if each officer pays the court $5,000.
Nothing like that has ever come in my courtroom.
It's just normal negotiations.
The I-Team showed the judge part of an earlier interview we did with the law director about that offer.
That's not how I handle business as a judge. I don't think that's the proper way that a court should handle business.
But if each person pays $5,000, you'll dismiss the charges.
With costs. Dismiss with costs.
Last week, the law director said she made the offer because East Cleveland spent so much money investigating the case. She calls the offer common practice.
We do that with our drug dealers. We do that with vandals. We do that with those who are, charged with criminal trespass and dumping.
But isn't that after they've been convicted that you do that?
Not necessarily.
After talking to the judge, the I-Team went upstairs to find the law director again. She told us the same offer still stands, and she handed us Ohio law that talks about having someone pay as part of sentencing in misdemeanor crimes. But sentencing comes after a conviction.
It was not in this courtroom, no, it was with the attorney.
The law director considers the offer plea bargaining before going into court. One defense lawyer has called it extortion. The judge says he can't talk about a specific pending case, but no question on procedure.
But once the files get to a court, and once they get to my court, we handle the files the way they're supposed to be handled, and there is no exchange of payment to dismiss a case.